experience how you write Amharic letters. We start with the letter Ha because it's the beginning of the alphabet, and we will take quite a long time. We spend quite a long time on it because it is the first experience. Here you can get another chance or another method of learning Amharic reading. You can see here Amharic letters Ha. You read it like ham in English. Hu like hook. Sorry, I have to change this. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. It's not. Okay, it's who like hook, he like heel, ha like ham, he like helmet, and we didn't get equivalent to who. Probably the nearest sound is Tehran, who Tehran, ho ho like hop. So from first column you can you see ham, hook, heel, ham, helmet, and hop, the equivalent reading of ha in different ways. The other way is I have divided a letter ha into different dialects. I wrote D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So you can see here you are going to write 15 times in row and in vertical. You don't put any sign on it. So number 1, ha, D1, ha, D2, ha, D3, ha. All of them are original letters or dialect 1 here. Now, how are you going to change the ha letter into different dialectics? Here I have a small board which you can see. On top you can see D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. On D1 is all straight, and D2 also straight. In D3 you write ha a little bit higher than, let me show you, here it's higher. I mean, this is lower, this is higher, and this is higher, and this is higher, and then D5 is normal, and D7 is normal. I will tell you in a minute why you are supposed to write a little bit higher than the others. So this is the way I write. Watch me very carefully. First I write this and this, and then I join like that. The same thing, this and this. There is a curve which I join. I write again this. Now it's higher, so I have to put it a little bit higher. It's like that. and here also a little bit higher, and then a curve again here, like this. It's not actually higher, but I have to put it higher. No. Higher. No, I shouldn't put higher. It's gonna be normal, like this. Now you can see all the has in here, all of them, you don't change, and this is the equivalent of, you can see here, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Now when you write ha, you start from D1. D1 you don't put any sign on it. On D2 you put a sign like this. Who, again who, you write it down vertically, not horizontally, because you know this D2 have the same tag or signs. Okay, this is again who, and who. Here on he, I should write this one a little bit higher. Sorry. I'm gonna change this. Okay. This and this, sorry. Like that. This one is already arranged in this way. Now I have already written D2. This is who up to the end. Let's see the third one. D3, you make a leg here like this and like this, like this and like this. It's very difficult. I'm making the video and I'm writing. No one helps me, so don't worry about the video quality, but try to understand what I'm doing. Okay, this is he. Let me take you once more up there. Can you see? Now we have done who, he, and then we are going to write ha. Ha. It's something like, oh sorry, not that way. Ha and hey. like this. You can see here, okay. And then this one is a little bit odd. When you have to erase this at the beginning. You have to write ha like that, and then you erase this one, just one side, and put yes. Oh, and then you erase this one with you, and then put okay. You erase this one. You erase this one. No, let me do it again. This is ha, so this is ha. There is a curve like this, and then the same thing, you erase this and put erase this one, here. Okay, now let's go to the last dialect, which is ho. On that letter you just put this sign, a ring, a small ring. It's all very easy. This is ho, and this is ho, this is ho, this is ho, and the last one, this is lo ho. So we can continue like that. I finished line 1, ha, hu, he, ha, he, hu, ho. You may continue like that. That's why I told you to put this one a little higher, so that no, ha, oh, not quite right, small ha, and then hey. Okay, let me continue and finish. This is ha, this is he, this is ha, he, ha, he, hu, this is ha, he, hu, this is ha, this is he. So this is who with the same sign, and this is he, the same sign. Ha, sorry, wait, that's ha. This is ha, ha. and he, 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 hu, and the last one is ho, ho, ho. This sign is ho, 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 ho. So this is letter H. This is the way you are supposed to write. Now you on this on the screen here on my you have here the first Amharic alphabet reading and handwriting. Bible like you write the date there and your name in Amharic. Your name in Amharic, and then you write starting time, and there should be number here, name, number, and date. You write the starting time to see how much time you take to write for the first time, and you repeat again and again, and you compare the time you have taken to write the whole page. Now just download this thing here. If you download this is D1, D2, D3, D4. There are 15 lines. You are going to write without any sign 15 times